Okay, it's starting to rain. Let's see if we can get this Chevy started. My key. Come on. Got all my tools in here. Key in. Give it a little choke. Some pumpage. Let's see what's gonna happen. Almost.
After the spring, and then we'll do a
turn on the radio. A little cold this morning. Nope, she's flooded. Boy, is she ever. Huh. That's that for a second. Usually I don't pump it this much. Try it again. I don't know if she's flooded or not. Smells like it. Yep, she's flooded. This will be the first time I flooded this truck. Let's sit for a second. I've never flooded this truck before in my life. Of course, I've only owned it for a month or two. Plus, the choke on this thing works a bit too well. Usually once it starts up, you gotta take it off right away. Sometimes you can get away with just pumping it. Almost. Come on. Just hold it wide open. Okay. Usually I try to let off the gas a little bit as I choke it. Starting to rain here. Yesterday I had a water pump seal blow out, and you can see it's replaced. Went ahead and fixed it here at work, or there at work. So, kind of making sure that everything's good. I also adjusted my power steering a little bit, so it's not squealing anymore on the belt. So, making sure everything looks okay. Here it goes. So, I didn't see anything wet down there, other than what I spilled. My coolant level. Looking good. I see a little fluid in there. Wasn't overheating on the way home. these Chevys, these hoods look pink. So they always push down on the side just to be sure that it's sitting properly. That's pretty much it. So, oh yeah, y'all haven't seen my new glass packs yet. Running 8-inch glass packs on both sides. So, warming up a little bit. I want to take off the neighbors. I got to take my junk out of here. So.